If you've ever bought a tweezer before, you may have noticed that there's 3 different kinds of tips. But what's the difference between them? The most common one, the flathead tweezer, has the best grip because of its wide tip, and also relatively short handle, which is why it's best suited for things like eyebrow shaping. The straight fine tip tweezer can be a little weaker and more challenging to use because of its thin tip, but it is great for the precision needed for crafting stationery and makeup. The bent fine tip tweezer is the weakest because of its bend and the way pressure is distributed. That's why they're best used for delicate precision work like weeding and lashing. The thing I love about these tweezers is that they're not only functional in a variety of different ways, but they're also more beautiful than the average ones on the market. They really add a little bit of magic to anything I'm creating. Popular artifact by far, and it's none other than the lovely one tweezer. But did you know it has a sister? Now this is the lunar one. It used to be a flat tip tweezer, but was redesigned as a thin tip tweezer so it would better function for scissors. It has a silver finish as opposed to a gold one. It comes with a different bookmark backing card, but they both capture that same magical feeling, especially when you use them. So are you team lovely wand or lunar wand? Or maybe there's another mythical tool that suits your taste. New tweezers?
Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
What's the difference between them? The most common is the flathead tweezer, has the best grip because of its wide tip, and also relatively short, which is why it's best suited for things like eyebrow. Straight fine tip tweezer can be really easy to use and easy to use. It is great for the precision needed for crafting stationery. The bent fine tip tweezer is the weakest because of its bend and the way pressure is distributed. That's why they're best used for delicate precision work.
Straight ahead, no man can do like I can. I'm the queen of the land. Haters gonna hate, won't be sorry now. Shoot me down.
and subscribe